Hello viewers, in this D365 CRM sessions, today we will discuss the lead management. As you may already know, we are starting the first session or the video for the end user track. I'd like to confirm that is upcoming sessions we will be incorporating PowerPoint slides along with the CRM screens. Anyway, please refer to the video description account with whom the company has not previously contacted or done any business and now are initiating the sales process. Let's discuss the lead scenarios. Leads can be created, updated, qualified, disqualified and reassigned in CRM sales module. What is create lead? Right? We can create and store and import information for a future opportunity. That's a create lead. We can update the existing information in the existing lead. That's update lead. If the prospect or the potential account or a contact shows the interest, we can qualify the lead. If the prospect it does not show the interest, then we can disqualify the lead with the reason. And then if the owner is changed, say for example, I'm the owner of one of the lead. No, either I'm busy, whether I'm taking a long vacation, then I can assign the lead to some other employees. So we can changing the owner. That's called the reassign the lead. Leads can be created in multiple methods. Like you can be able to create in manually within the CRM systems. Whether you can be able to import the data, using a CSV or XML file, or we can bring through the third-party application or a partner systems or email marketing or LinkedIn Sales Navigator and a different outside, right, other than the regular systems. So one is a manually you can create one by one, and another way is basically it's a bulk import. The third one is using the third-party systems. Click new on the menu bar and then enter the information like a topic, first name, last name, and then the job title with the David, phone number and email ID, and then lastly company name. Save and close. Now you can be able to see that the new record is created. The next option is quick create. On the top menu bar, click plus icon and click lead, and then you open to a pop-up window and enter all the information like a first name, last name, topic, and all the information like a lead information. And then once you entered it, click save and close, and then should create a lead here. The next option is import from CSV. Click on the top menu bar on the view, click import from CSV, select the file, and then click next to proceed. And then it should map using that names. If it is not mapped, then you can map it manually and then click import. And then after that, after a few minutes or 2-3 minutes, so that all the records should be created. So just refresh it, you should be able to see the new records. The next one is integration through third-party tools. Here I'm showing LinkedIn Sales Navigator, but we can do other leads through the partner systems or social media or email marketing and other many things. The lead already exists. We can modify the lead. This is a straightforward. We can update any one of the lead information. The next one is qualified lead. A qualified lead is an account or a contact that has been vetted and has been changed to an opportunity. In the lead to opportunity sales process, to qualify a lead, it's important to fill all the mandatory information, which is normal. When you click qualify, the systems verify the presence of the essential records and then information. If any information is missing, such account, contact, or opportunity, the system automatically creates them and updates the lead status to qualified. Open the lead record by looking the business process flow. It's in a qualify stage. Click qualify. Once the lead is qualified, and then it should create 3 records. One of them is a contact, another one is account, and another one is opportunity, or the three records. By looking at business process flow, it's in develop stage. When you click on a qualify, and then it goes to leads. Stage shows the contact and account is already created. When you're clicking on the stage, it goes to respective table or entity. When the lead is not showing an interest to buy the product or the services, we can disqualify it. So a lead is disqualified when an account or a contact is no longer deemed viable for a potential. So when clicking at disqualify while reviewing a lead, the drop down menu will disappear, showing the listing multiple options like a lost, cannot contact, no longer interested, or cancelled. After an option is selected, one of the options is selected, the lead status changed to disqualified. Open the lead record, and then on the menu bar, click disqualify, and then select one of the option, and then record should be disqualified, and then you can see the status on the top menu bar. And then to verify it, click on our leads and then go to that close to leads view, and then the disqualified lead should show up here. So the lead can be reassigned to another owner. When clicking on assign on the lead can be reassigned to a person making the change, either to me or to another user or team. So that lead will be reassigned to a new owner. Select the lead. Currently the lead is simply Adel. Click on assign, and then we have two options. One is a me and another is a user and team. Now I'm currently selecting a me to myself. So the current record, it's assigned to myself. Now we will assign the record to the team. Select the assign and then select user or a team. Now in the lookup, go to advanced lookup, because here we can select either teams and user. Now select the teams, the selected you want, and then click done. And then after assigning, that record should be assigned to the team here, the sales team. The next option is assign the lead to the user. Select the record and then click assign, and then in this option we select user or a team. On the lookup, we can select the user, or we can go to advanced find. Here in the left navigation side, select the users, and then we can use a search to the specific person. Here select the right user and then click assign. Once after a few seconds, the record should be assigned to the right person. There are many possible lead views. One of them is a system lead view, which is part of the build or out of the box. Second one is personal view, which is end user can able to create personal views. In any one of the view, there are the three main components. One of them is a data, what column or what data you want to display it. Second one is filter, based on the data, what are the filters you want to apply it. The third one is sorting. Those are only the three main components. Okay, it goes to CRM, and then if you open any one of the table or an entity, and then all the views is displaying here. In this case, there's a lot of out of the box views, and then one of them it basically shows the a person view. It means a personal view. Okay, so now I open already I'm in a lead view. I'm just going to create a personal view. Just edit any one of the information. So here I'm going to add a column here. I'm going to say created. That's not wrong. Created on last 7 days. Okay, so I'm creating a last 7 days main view. Now if you see the star symbol, it means this view is updated or modified it. When you click outside, the changes will be gone. So if you want to save them the view, that's called the personal view. So now if you click on a drop down, you can see that save as a new view. Click on here, and then you can give them the lead last 7 days. Last 7 days leads. Just save, and then now you have a new view is created. Now if you go to manage, you can set it up. That's a default view. And also basically when you click manage and share views, you have options to now the view, whatever you created, you have more options. You can set them the default, or you can able to share them to the other users. Say for example, you created a multiple options or a filter with the proper data you want to share with your teammates, you can share them. Okay, and then you can assign them to the another user also, so that they can able to edit or update it with your team. We can create a Power BI report to visualize the data. So when you are in a view, we can click visualize this view, and then it creates a Power BI report, and then it saves on your workspace so that we can view it in later. So the CRM, and then currently I'm in all lead view, and then you can click on then visualize this view. So this will create a pop-up window, and then the Power BI report will be created. Report is created using that view. That's the all lead view where we are in, and then you can save this Power BI report. It's going to save them, store them in my workspace. Okay, in a Power BI, that's a concept called workspace. So it stores them in my workspace. Okay, the report is saved. Today we learned, or we reviewed lead. A lot of times we discussed what is lead, and then we discussed lead scenarios. We can create a lead, update, qualify, reassign, disqualify. These are the lead scenarios, lead views, system views, and then personal views, and then visualization. Using in a view, we can able to create a Power BI, and then the Power BI report will be created, and then it's stored in our workspace for later use. Okay, and then now looks like our learning tracks. After we completed CRM fundamentals, today we completed the first video, the lead management. The next video is customer management. Next session is a customer management, which is nothing but how you can manage account and a contact, right? That's the customer one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the learning.